Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing data and defining purpose. Connect sheets or import with Power Query so refresh is easy. This reduces manual errors. Create a normalized data table with consistent headers and data types because formulas and visuals depend on structure. Decide 3-5 KPIs and which chart types will express them. A clear goal guides layout. Once done, add a date table and mark it as a relationship key so time-based calculations work reliably. You now transform and model. In Power Query, merge sources, unpivot where needed, set correct types, and load to the data model to keep sheets tidy. Create relationships between tables using unique keys. This lets visuals query multiple tables together. Then write measures with DAX for sums, averages, and ratios so numbers update dynamically. Make simple calculated columns only when necessary. As you build visuals, use consistent color and grid spacing to improve readability and comparison. You complete the dashboard by placing KPI tiles, trend charts, and breakdowns into a clean grid. Align and size elements for 16:9 display ratio. Add slicers and sync them. Create bookmarks for common views so users switch contexts quickly. Validate every measure against source totals and run a full refresh to confirm Power Query steps. If something breaks, check relationships and data types first. That single mismatched key often causes wrong aggregations. Fix it, then refresh and revalidate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.